guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
It's been way too long, almost 5 years to be exact. Can you believe it? COVID kept this woman away from the place she once called home. But guess what? She was finally back in Singapore. The moment she stepped off the flame. Hang on, why did I say flame? Let me try that again. The moment she stepped off the plane, nostalgia hits her immediately with the familiar sights, the sounds, the humidity, yes, even that. We're in Southeast Asia, come on, it's 2025, you need to catch up. And most importantly, the people she's missed so much. This trip was all about reuniting with family, catching up with old friends, and of course, reuniting with the food that's been living rent-free in her mind for years. From hawker center dishes to those late-night wandering spots she used to hunt, she's diving into the flavors that make Singapore feel like home. But it's not just about the food. It's about the stories, the laughter, and the memories she made. Before we do though, make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and of course ring that notification bell to make sure that you stay up to date on all of our new uploads. Yes, I know, it's very tedious that you have to hear this of telling you to subscribe. When she was booking her flight back to the Philippines after her Bangkok trip, she spent hours browsing through various options, determined to find the cheapest deal. Unexpectedly, she noticed that a non-stop flight from Bangkok to Manila was significantly more expensive than a connecting flight with a layover to Singapore. The price difference was too big to ignore, and her practical side immediately leaned towards the cheaper option. While she was booking her flight, her mind started to wander. A 23-hour layover in Singapore? That wasn't just a waiting period, it was an opportunity. She began imagining all the things she could do during that time. And suddenly, the long layover didn't seem so bad. In fact, it felt like the chance to turn a mundane travel day into something special. The more she reflected on it, the more excited she became. What started as a way to save money quickly turned into a mini adventure she couldn't wait to experience. The thought of breaking up her journey with a meaningful stopover made her feel excited. It wasn't just about the cost of her flight anymore. It was about making the most of her trip and creating memories along the way. Before we dive into her layover adventure, let me take a moment to share how she actually found this flight. It all started with Google Flights. Which, let's be honest, is a lifesaver when it comes to booking trips. Whether you're looking for the cheapest deal, the shortest route, or a specific airline, Google Flights has got you covered. And it's super easy to use. Open your browser and go to Google Flights by going to the search bar and typing up Google Flights. It's free to use and you don't need an account to start searching. Enter your travel details, departure city, type in from where you're flying from, and enter where you're flying to. And select your travel dates. And choose the number of travelers, which is adults, children, and infants. Explore flight options. Once you hit search, Google Flights will show you a list of available flights. Here's how to narrow down your options. Look for the green price tags. These indicate the lowest prices. Use the filters on the left side to customize your search. And choose non-stop, one-stop, or 2+ stops depending on your preference. Select specific airlines if you have a preference. And set a budget range to see flights within your price limit. Filter by departure or arrival times that work best for you and check if baggage is included, and some budget airlines charge extra. Click on a flight to see more details like the duration, layover times, and baggage policies. If you're looking for the cheapest option, sort by price and pick the one that fits your budget. If you're not ready to book yet, you can turn on price tracking. Google Flights will send you email notifications if the prices drops or rise from your selected route and dates. Once you've found your preferred flight, click select and follow the prompts. Google Flights will redirect you to the airline's website or a trusted travel agency to complete your booking. Use the calendar view to see which days are cheaper to fly, and check if flying into or out of nearby airports save you money. And if you're planning to visit multiple destinations, use the multi-city option to book all your flights at once. Now I know what you're thinking. VA of Cook Repeat? Is this a sponsor? And to that, viewer, I say no. But it would be very good if it was. She had arrived at Changi Airport, stepping off the plane and making her way into Terminal 3. One of the world's most renowned airports, the efficiency of Changi is one of the reasons why it was in the top spot for 8 consecutive years from 2013 to 2020. The longest winning streak since the World Airport Awards were first given out in 2000 and because of COVID in 2021 and 2022, where most of us were stuck at home, and it won again in 2023, and it unfortunately got beaten by Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar in 2024. With the terminal's clear signage and a seamless flow of passengers moving through the terminal, her first priority? Charging her low battery phone so that she can stay connected and navigate the next steps of her journey. Luckily, Changi Airport is well equipped with charging stations, making it easy for travelers to power up their devices. Once her phone is charging, she quickly went online filling out the SG arrival card, a mandatory requirement for all travelers entering Singapore. What's convenient is that this can be done online even before arriving in the country, saving time and streamlining the immigration process. Good thing Changi Airport's free Wi-Fi makes it easy to access the online portal and fill in the arrival card without any hassle. For those who haven't completed it in advance, the process is so easy and user-friendly. In this video, I will show you how to fill in the SG arrival card step by step so you can easily follow along and prepare for your own travels to Singapore. The online form asks for basic information such as personal details like date of arrival, full name, which is in your passport, passport number, which is also in your passport, gender, travel history, and health declarations. All of which are essential for a smooth entry into the country. With the form submitted, she's now ready to proceed to immigration. The process was well organized, and she's relieved to find that the queue isn't too long, and she moved through quickly without standing around for an extended period. Changi Airport's efficient immigration system ensures that travelers are processed smoothly, minimizing wait times even during peak hours.